All right. So the best place, so we just learned the best place to drop block code off is the end of the line preceding it, because you'll make an enter. It'll, yeah, put an enter and then place the code right below in the same indent. All right, so here we go. We're going to make the agent till to the left. Oh, I put it in the wrong place, of course. Figuring that out. Okay, I could copy and paste that too, but I'm going to go ahead and do it from here. So place a sapling to its left. So we're going to the agent. I'm saying agent place direction. Okay, and I'm going to put that here. Place, oh, it didn't do that because the line preceding it is not indented. So place forward, but I gotta say, oh, place left, and we're going to oh, but what, how are we telling it? Okay, so we're saying till, let's see, make the agent move forward. See, that I could do without using the block, but I'm going to use the block because it's fun. Move the agent forward and indent, call the function. Okay, so this is going to be, oh, here, function underscore till parentheses, make the agent move forward. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this one again, copy and paste, call the function, make the agent move forward, call the function. Okay, this is kind of weird. So I don't know if this is part one, part two, because right now, well, let's just take a look. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. Let's see what happens here. Because I think what we want to do is we're going to test this. Well, let's go ahead and hit play to compile the code, and we're going to come and see what happens. Oh, so the agent is saying no way. We're doing nothing. Okay, which is kind of fine because there's something wrong with the code. We are saying till to the left, place to the left. Oh, and look, this is kind of telling us too that this is for part two. We want to fertilize, but is it all in the same forward till? I'm saying function till, make the agent move forward, call the function. This totally doesn't make sense. Move the agent forward, call the function. So what's the section? I feel like there should be, like what does it want? What do we want it to do? Do we want it to till, place, and fertilize? Or do we want it to till everything, come back and place everything, or and then fertilize everything? So that's the thing that's a little bit confusing. So let's get back here. Let's go to the developer and let's just say try again. So this is saying the agent is back here. Oh, you know why? I'm a little ahead of myself. I'm thinking 12, but if you look at the code, all we want it to do is, I think we want the agent to move forward. We want the agent to till to the left. There's only one grass block here. Till to the left, place to the left, and fertilize. All right, so we'll try that again. Okay, so the function is till left, place left. But I think we need to make it go forward first. So I'm just going to copy this or cut it and put it here and then enter. Okay, so for function till, what we're saying is move forward, till left, place left. And that's it. It looks like part two is fertilizer. If it's even part of this. There we go. Okay, awesome. So that did one tree. Oh, we're not placing 12. Look at this grass. Okay, so I just counted forward. So my guess is that this is going to be move forward 6, move forward 6. Fine. Okay. So, here's a tip. Look, I was all excited that I looked, I counted, I looked at the environment and I counted, but really the problems were here. Plant 3 trees. Okay. So then let's go ahead and do this. I think the part 2 is actually part of this as well. So we're going to have the agent move forward 1. We're going to have the agent till to the left. We're going to have the agent place to the left. And then here's part 2. We're going to change the agent slot. So the agent has its own inventory. And what we're going to do is by default, if it's placing something, that's coming from slot 1. So in this helper code or in the comments, it's saying change the agent's inventory slot to 2, which it means that the fertilizer is probably in 2. So we need to look for, we're going to look in the inventory section. Okay, agent set active block. I'm going to go ahead and place that after that line, and we want it to be in 2. So we have it in 2. We're going to keep that in the function. Place the fertilizer to its left. So we're going to say agent place left again. We'll just copy that. Okay, enter, indent, agent place left. Why are there so many place fertilizers? I don't really know. Okay, so then we're going to have the agent move forward. Let's go ahead and double check. I think it's going to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So back to the code. Agent move forward. Let's grab that code from above. Move forward 6. And then what we want to do is we want to call the function. I'm going to say 3. Oh, no, wait. Okay, so this has to be out of there, because if we have it move forward 6 and then have it move forward 1, it's going to miss its mark. So I'm going to make the agent move forward 1, call the function till, and I'm going to say 3 times. No, call it, let's see. It wants to call it 3 times, but I feel like we could do a loop in here. All right, but for now, we'll just do this. Okay, no, we won't. For I equals, oh, now I don't remember it. Let's just call it 3 times. I'll go back. Call your function 3 times. Function 3 times. And I put the agent move forward inside of the function. So let's see if that works. Okay, so let's hit play. Oh, I totally messed up. All right, I got to try again. Oh, I'm hitting escape. Let's hit this. Let's comment out. It might be move forward 5. This is it. Move forward. That's not right. Let's see. Agent move forward 1. 5. Okay, let's put this back in here because I know that this worked before. Okay, till. Let's comment this one out and see where the agent winds up after this and check. Okay, so play. Oh, I gotta reset it here. Oh, come on. Try again. Put the agent back. Okay, so C, play, come back. All right, we did it. All right, so now out of blocks to place in this slot. Oh, because I have to put it back in. All right, so we also, so here's the thing. You could, then we have to switch back.